Expo Real is the most important event of the year. You bring together people in a combination for the first time, and that leads to completely different points of views and to a new vision and inspiration for the whole industry.
It's a catalyst for new ideas. There's a lot of people with areas of expertise which we don't have in-house. It's a great meeting place for thought, process and action.
Here at Expo you really can meet all the value chain of real estate. You're not only seeing your competitors, but you're seeing the full range of services across the real estate sector.
For our business, it's very important to have a place where we can expose ourselves as a region. We can meet in just a couple of days the whole chain of the real estate world.
It gathers together a universe of real estate players, the decision makers, not just the investors themselves, their advisors, all the professionals involved in the business.
It's a question of efficiency. It helps you a lot here to meet the people in 3 days, which you usually could meet within 3 months with very low travel expenses. And this helps you a lot to give progress to your projects.
Expo Real is highly efficient. It's one of the few events where you can meet people within a few meters, within a few days or hours. You can actually manage so many projects that it is highly productive to be here.
The evening, the receptions, the parties, the dinners, there you have the opportunity to meet the people you met during the day in a more informal way, so to build up relationships, to increase your network.
It's a people business, real estate, and this is a place to connect to those people on a personal basis. That's what makes Expo so special for me.
It's really networking, it's people, and really being in the middle of an active environment where we feel part of that community. Here we realize we have 10,000, 12,000 people who actually have the same interests. It's like being with the friends.